Hey guys, Adam here from DirectionTrader.com. Let's do today's recap and let's talk about what we see moving forward. Very interesting today. We had the FOMC, the minutes come out today, and the markets were as quiet as church mice. They were very, very quiet. Not a lot of movement today, guys. We had a little bit of movement early on, but even though you see these markets fluctuating up, down, this was the slowest creep of all time. It was just slowly grinding its way to the upside. Just a very long, drawn-out process. So I took one small winner today. That's all I got to take in the trading room. One trade in the live trading room, which is typical for a Fed day, guys. We don't trade as much. We're a little bit lighter on the volume. So we did take one trade for a small profit in the trading room. But let's talk about what we see moving forward, because tonight is very interesting. Let's look here at the S&P. S&P had a nice rally. We're up here near resistance. But what's important is we had an up day. We had a nice green candle here to the upside today. Okay? Now let's look over at some of the other stock index futures. The NASDAQ. Another nice up day, green candle here, still pushing to the upside. Let's take a look over here at the Dow. You're going to see a lot of the same. Getting into some resistance though, but nonetheless, still a green candle bar. So, what did we just now say? We have the ES, the Dow, and the NQ, all of them had green candle bars. Now, what in the world did the old Russell have today? I'm sure you guys already know if you were watching. Let's pull up the Russell here. Why, looky there. The Russell formed a down day. So, anybody who's followed me, you probably already know where we're going with this. And the Russell's also at some resistance. As you can see here, I've had this box here for quite some time. But the Russell's also at resistance. We have one stock index selling off, and we have three stock indexes pushing higher. Conventional wisdom would tell us, well, that's simple. The one is probably going to go up and push to the upside since there's three pushing up. Now, about 80% of the time, that's not the case. So, being that we have a 3 to the 1, which is the opposite of what you would typically think. Anytime you get three stock index futures pushing one way, one pushing the opposite, the 3 will go and join the 1. It goes against what you think would happen, but the 3 will come and join that 1. So, in this situation, we have three stock indexes pushing higher, one pushing lower. To the following day, we can probably see that the other three come and join that Russell. So, what I'm going to be looking for tomorrow, being that we are at resistance on so many of these stock indexes, look here, the S&P at resistance. The NASDAQ's not at resistance, but we're definitely extended. And the Dow into resistance. I am looking for a little bit of a rollover tomorrow in the stock index futures. So, I'm going to pay close attention to today's low on all four stock index futures, mark up today's low and high. If we push higher, well, then that would be void. But if we push lower, we start to push lower on any of the stock index futures and get down below its previous day's low, meaning today's low, I'm going to look to be short on the stock index futures tomorrow. So, to recap, we have three stock indexes pushing higher, one that actually pushed lower today. Conventional wisdom would tell you the 3 was going to join the 1, but this is not true. The 3 will go and join the 1. So I am looking for the stock index futures to have a little pullback tomorrow. Now, if we don't get a break below the previous day's low, today's low, I'm not interested in anything. But if we start to get a pullback, it's okay. This is an early sign to say, hey, this pullback is healthy. We can go ahead and look for shorting opportunities while trading intraday in our live trading room and while we're day trading. Okay? So, the 3 to the 1, guys. That's what I see going into tomorrow. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it's going to help out. We're going to call it the 3 to the 1. You can call it whatever you want, but anytime you get 3 stock index futures pushing one way and 1 pushing the other, majority of the time, 80+% of the time, you're going to see them 3 turn and join that 1. So, hope you enjoyed this video, guys. You need any help, you got any questions, go ahead and email me, adam@directiontrader.com. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good day.